Hi everybody, we're back from live from the backyard. Gonna hook up a new tool that we've got available for you. It's called the Daikin Air Conditioning Monitoring Tool, or Dchecker. Here's our part number right here. Dchecker hooks up to all of our inverter products, from the 20 SEER, 18 SEER, all of our mini splits, the larger VRV life systems. Very handy tool to have. It would be hard for me to do my job without having this tool available. One of the things you're going to need to do is you're going to need to download an app, either from the Google Play Store or iTunes, either one, called Daikin Air Conditioning Monitoring Tool. It might be listed as Daikin AC Monitoring Tool. I've already downloaded this particular one, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Now I've got my board, my little wireless adapter plugged up to the board on this particular unit. It plugs up to X41A, so I just plugged that into the board and then connected it to this block. Now this box is showing a flashing LED light. That means that we're getting power from the board, so that's exactly what I want it to do. The next thing I have to do is take my tablet or my smartphone and pair, because this is a Bluetooth box. I need to pair it to the tablet or to my phone. So what I'm going to do is come over here, select my Bluetooth here. Okay, I'm going to let it search, and it's looking for the BTSC. So I select that and hit done. Okay, now it's pairing up. It's asked for a code. The code for this box is 3131. It's the same code for every one of them. So I'll select OK, hit done, and now I'm pairing up. My tablet's pairing up to this box. So the next thing I want to do here is I come over here to the little 3 slide bars down here in the bottom left corner. I select those. Up here in the top, I want to put the office. I just put my Nashville office. That's what where I'm based out of for Associated Equipment. And then I put my name in it. The next thing I have to do is select PSI in Fahrenheit, because I want those numbers. It's already selected Bluetooth, so it knows to look for this box through Bluetooth. Then I select my green check mark. Then I hit the little red circle down here in the bottom. Now all of these little boxes have got a MAC ID address, and each one is unique to that box, and it'll display it right here. So I select that box. Now, okay, now it's pairing up to this box, so I hit record only, and then I come over here. There's a little paper clip looking icon. I select that, and now it's going to log itself into the board. So it's going to look at the board and look at all the sensors and see what everything's doing inside the unit. And this takes a couple minutes for this all to happen. So we'll let this thing log itself in. And as you can see, my 20 SEER 4-ton inverter system just started back up. Pretty quiet to be standing right next to it, and I'm not having to scream and yell over or a unit. Okay, it did successfully find everything. So the next thing I do, I come over and it says where it says unselected. I select that. I select the piece of equipment I want to hook, pair up to. Hit the little green check mark. And now it's going out and grabbing up all the data that I need. So right now, I'm running 249 PSI on my head pressure, 146 suction. I'm pulling my 5.5 amps to start the compressor. It's running at 19 revolutions per second. Right now I've got about 82 degrees outside. My discharge pipe temperature, the most important number that we can ever gather, is discharge pipe temperature. It's running right now at 108. My suction temperature is 54 degrees. So that's under the basic data. Well, I come over here and I select controls. Now I get to see right here, it's going to tell me if I've got any active error codes. In this case, I don't. I'm in cooling mode, and it just gives me a lot of different information on the control side. If there's any special functions of the unit that have been energized, it would tell me here. The next one is sensors. So right here I get to see all the sensors operating inside the, the outdoor unit. Right now, and like I said, the outdoor temperature is 82. My heat exchanger, which is this outdoor coil, is running about 85 degrees. My discharge pipe temperature is up to 116. So it gives me a lot of great information. I can come over here to actuators. Since this is a straight cooling unit, it does not show me the outdoor EEV valve. All of the heat pumps have outdoor EEV valves. This particular unit does not, so it's not showing anything. It just shows it as like it's wide open. My compressor is running at 31 revolutions per second. My fan is, right now, it's running wide open on tap 8. The 20 SEER does have a variable speed fan motor, but this app reads it in taps from 0 to 8. If I had a mini split hooked up, I'd be able to see all of the indoor unit sensors, fan RPMs, all that stuff on the indoor unit. And as you can see up here in the green box, we've got 0 errors on this machine. So it's a very handy app to have. You can get this tool through any of our AEC offices. So like I said, I can't do my job without this tool.